The regular classes was going on online. But what about the correspondence? Nobody knows what was going on in the correspondence. Nobody was aware about the correspondence. What is going to happen?
Gives you placement.
College never give you placement. Your skills give you placement.
Why did you not go college? Answer. Huh? So why did you take class online?
If you are not going to regular in any institute, any coaching, then how to learn about that skill? Why? If you are not, listen.
So I would like to take the privilege of initiating it. So as we all know, we are discussing about which college is best, correspondence or regular. So I am favoring regular college. So as we all know, like if we go to regular college, so we can socialize and can connect with a lots of people. But if we are like if we are doing correspondence, college from correspondence, so we cannot connect with people. And nowadays connection is a very necessary thing. Like if you will know people, so you can have experience from them, and that will also help you in future, because in a college everyone is busy in their like studies and degrees, but the people will help you uh, at the end, with whom you will make connections.
First of all, I would say very good evening to each and everyone who are presented here in this session, in this beautiful immersing debate. And I'm very privileged that I got the opening line here to open this debate. And here with my team, I welcome on this stage to favor that correspondence classes are the best, especially in this 21st century, in this era in 2025, because we have technologies, we have groups, we have social media. From there we interact, we mix, and we share our projects, from where we build links, and this help us also those students who are not oftenly are active in the classes. There it's become very easy for them who are not active more in the classes. They can share their problem, they can build the connection on our groups on social media. And that's why I request you to understand that in 2025 the correspondence classes are the best for all variant of students. This is my point.
Student doing a regular college or a regular degree, that time the students get the more opportunity than the correspondent, just because the college provides us several things, such as an activity, cultural activity, which is a very important to holistic development of the as a student. So we cannot just and we get the several opportunity. Whenever we go in other campus, that time we can just give the paper presentation, and which remove the hesitation, and we can easily connect with the teacher. If a student has any query, they can just wrap up, or you can say the just clear the doubt on the spot. But in a corresponding,
Okay, let clear a doubt. What a myth. We need to understand here in the offline and traditional way of classes, all this is very difficult to handle all the student. If I am a teacher there, right? If I am a teacher, I can only solve the query of 10 students. But in the correspondence, we have the dynamic version of study. We also go college and also attend online classes, Google Meet, and this is a best way. And more of it, we have AI chatbot. There we put our query and get the real practical answer based on my understanding, based on my level of thinking. And what else we need required in this 21st era? I want to urge to my friend to say something.
And I want to add one more thing in this. You said college give us doubt clearing and teachers help us. But what happened? Everyone is not similar, and no one able to ask question in classes because of scare. So I want to say that if you are taking correspondence classes, you have opportunity, you have option to stop the videos and go back and run again and clear your doubts. And how many times you want to clear your doubt, you can go and watch videos. They will help you. But in But in regular classes, people scared to ask questions because friends judge you. So that's all about all myself.
As you mentioned that the in the corresponding classes we can clear out that, but they don't know the what is the right study material for us, because that time no one to judge you and no one to just guide you which one is the best for you, because in the regular the teacher consult you and they provide the counseling one to one. And the second thing, in our regular classes, we just
Excuse me,
we
ma'am.
are
Bill lives in
habitual
India.
to
Bill lives
do
in India.
traveling.
There
But
are
the
so many
but the
students who come
corresponding
from
college
who comes from the
student,
rural
they
area.
don't.
Not all are urban from. They cannot attend the regular classes. We need to understand the background also. If they are not financially stable, if somehow they are the single person of their householding, we live in India. We need to consider this fact point, and one important that we need to understand, if someone who is coming from a far place and that place is comes under rural area, there is no any good connectivity, there is no any transportation, how become difficult to reach the college at the right time. There the correspondence helps a lot. It gives us options of flexibility plus creativity plus self motivation, self discipline, and it equals to more better result compared to regular class. So what would
But
not
in a regular college, they provide a financial aid.
No, I would like to say that the correspondence is giving the opportunity to the student of the rural area to drop out. Actually, I feel so. Why? Because according to the survey of ATRAI, it highlights or just underlines that the drop out rates are raising. Why? Because of the lack of guidance. In a correspondence, definitely it is providing you the way you can study better, but I do not feel so it is providing that way you can continue it. Starting is good, but not reaching at your goal, I do not think so it is good, because start can anybody, but we are supposed to finish it first of all. So that correspondence students are not able to complete their course according to the UGC guidelines. You have to go and check it out first of all. And the second one that you mentioned, that we can access the videos on a YouTube. So I do not think so, like those are going on a regular college, with the regular college they are pursuing their degree, they are not able to go through with the videos, they are also, I do not think so. Going regular college is a one of the crucial thing whereby we learn a lots of things, not only the practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge, and how we are supposed to shape our mind as well as our personality.
I think in today's era, the knowledge is the most important thing, and we get knowledge in anywhere. Not about they go to college regularly, because many students are college regularly, but they are not studies and not attend the lectures and not serious about our career. But there are some students who have no financial good background, like he is a only person to earn, and many students also have some interest in other skills like music, cricket, so he also give time in that area. And if we are focused or motivated, so we can achieve our goal in anywhere. Like we are hear about every year some UPSC toppers, they are drop out, and some JEE toppers also, they are also drop out, so not study regularly, they are also doing correspondence.
I need to sum up one very core point that we should revise it.
Mahesh,
If we look the data, if we talk about the data, so data says what? The data says that every year the percentage of the correspondence students are increasing day by day by 4%, and this is a huge. And will you believe or not, the big giants company like Google, Infosys, and so many, those companies are favoring the correspondence degree. And you know why? You know why? Let me tell you. You know why? You know why? You know why? Because especially in the regular college, in the traditional classes, we are not being taught the real quality of education in this era. Here in the market we required something, and in education system we are getting delivered by something else. Yeah, something we are receiving something, but in the correspondence we have the freedom to choose what we want to proceed, and that's why I favor the correspondence classes.
Here I want to add something. As Anupam has mentioned that there are lots of company who just provide the different types of the post for the those students who are just belongs to the correspondent. I have the one data also. There was a one person and he was just the 12 pass, and he is still working in a Google company. We know very well that Google company is a very reputed company. It is very challenging to just crack the interview and just get the job, because it is a dream to just do the job there. So it is possible of the skill. If you have a skill, so nobody will ask about your degree, your where you have just completed your just graduation from Seoul or from the regular college. If you have the skill, so nobody has dare to just bow down yourself. I want to say that only thing.
Except if a one person has got the job, it does it does. Definitely, it could be the inspiration, but I would say this is exceptions. You know, here only one person does not live in India. Please, could you please listen? Huh? You are supposed to listen first of all rather than shouting. Okay? Exception can happen everywhere. One. Tell me, if you will pass out the 12, will you able to go through with this? I do not think so. But if we are going through with a regular college, where what we learn how to give the job, not how to take the job only. Because in a college we learn internship quality, skill quality, or leadership quality, and by which we can rule the world, not we are in a queue of taking the job. This is the thing that I want to add.
Okay, so I also want to say something here. You have mentioned that it is an exceptional case. So firstly, I would like to suggest you go on the Google platform and just to check out the where a Google CEO has the posted one thing. If you have a skill, that much skill, so there is no need to just crack the any interview. They will not ask the any kind of the degree. If you have a skill, I would like to urge you to just go and check out. It is not an exceptional case.
Okay, so we don't want to I don't want to discuss about any like job or all, because we are discussing about which college is best. But let me ask you one question. Could you? Okay, let me ask one question. Okay, okay. Okay, let me ask one question. Okay, let me ask one question. Could you please give me the name of any one college which give you placement? Correspondence college, sorry. Any correspondence college which provide you or give you placement on the college.
Can you give any
No,
regular
it will
college?
there is no college.
There are many
no
colleges.
correspondence college which will provide you a placement. But if you are in a regular college, so they will give you on-campus placement. And if you go to off-campus placement, and if a one person is completed his graduation from correspondence and one person is from regular, so they will prefer regular college. So that is the point. Yeah, skill is mandatory, but firstly they will see regular college and they will pick it first. So that
Okay.
is the point.
Okay. You ask question, which college give you, which correspondent college give you placement opportunity. I want to ask one thing, which regular college give you placement opportunity? If you don't, if I enroll, I have a question. If I am,
Okay, my college give placement.
let me complete.
My
first.
college
Let me
give
complete.
placement. I am from.
Let
okay,
me
okay.
complete first. Let me complete first. If I enroll in a regular college, but I don't have any skill, I just completed my attendance 75%. I am not able to do anything. I have no idea about coding. I have no idea about what company want from me. So why they hired me? If I am in corresponding college and I have skills, I visit companies and train myself how to work in company. Why they not hire me?
sorry.
You are in regular college. Okay. You said I am in regular college. Your college allowed you to internship after second year, not in first year. Answer me first.
I think you didn't get my point. I was asking which college gives you placement.
College never give you placement. Your skills give you placement. College just invite companies. College just sorry.
Okay, skill gives, okay, skill provides you the job, okay?
Okay.
So 3 year of your college, what do you do? Only just going
No,
or
no.
coming, going or coming? No, wait for a while. In your computer science subject, what you will do? Are you not going with the computer? Are you not learning there? Just going and attending the class,
Instead of
reading
learning,
the theory
I
only?
want to
No, just
enhance
reading
my
the theory
skill in
only.
practical things.
The practical
Not
thing
just
in a
reading books
no,
and attending classes.
Actually, I think so. I think so. You are not well aware about the college. You are just aware about this, cinematic
Actually,
college. When we
regular
go in a
college-
college, we learn a lots of things. We learn how to deal with the computer, how to learn the codings and all
Okay.
over the things. I am not saying that you are on a wrong track. You need to clarify you first of all. Okay, clear it your doubt and then come with us.
The new education policy, the person in our first year, we have to pursue the 7 subjects. The 3 subjects overall we can choose the practical subject. Being a history honors student, how is it possible to get the too much only the theory part? We have also the practical part also. Yeah, and as you said that the college don't provide the placement. The BTech college, the ITI college, the Polytechnic college, they also provide the
They
placement.
just
But
invite
anyone-
companies, not
any the
give you
single, the
placement.
corresponding college
They
provide
just
the
invite
placement.
companies for your placement. If you are not perform well in your placement, why they hire you?
Why would they?
If you are in a regular college, mean you get 100% job. Companies not.
If you have a skill, so nobody has to dare to just they will not just if you don't have the knowledge, so definitely they will not hire you. You are saying that you are pursuing the history honors, all the any kind of subject, whatever. But I want to say here I also study from the regular source, but I have seen the lots of students just coming from the just enjoying, because I have seen the lots of students just bunk the class. They just wander here and then they are just coming for only for attendance, because they know very well if we will not attend the class, so we will not get the marks, because we know very well that if you attend the class, so we will get 5 marks, and if you just take the assessment or assignment, so they just give you the 10 or 20 marks. So they only come for the enjoyment or just attending the class. If you will ask some student or corresponding student, so students also studying the degree, also apart from this also learning the skills, new skills that is necessary at this time.
As my friend mentioned that, like the regular classes or regular colleges are not providing the jobs. They are just hiring, they are just inviting the company to just allot the job. I feel so if we are just pursuing through the correspondence, so what happens? Side by side you are going through with the skill learning, definitely. What will happen then? It will increase your anxiety, depression, stress. Wait for a while. Listen me first of all. Listen. What will happen? It leads anxiety, stress, depression, whereby it is going to invite the dropout. IGNOU suggests that why? Because of the workload. IGNOU is one of the university, and the one search or research happened, and in this research they figured out that why the dropout rates are increasing because of the workload. Those are pursuing with the correspondence, they are having too much pressure comparatively to the regular college. So understand it, we need to address this issue which is going on. The student 18, 19-year-old student is having a financial issue in his life, having a burden on the mind, and just getting inferiority towards his own self. What is happening here? A person is a 19-year-old, has to work outside as well. How it is hard for him to focus on a study. We need to address this concern because study is important for a 19, 18-year-old student.
Okay, like somehow you all guys are correct at your points, at your perception. But let me just show you the mirror. Like some profession, like physician, medician, doctor, archaeologist, and such profession which cannot be done by the correspondence. It requires a practical. Let's suppose I'm the doctor who done my all of the degrees from the correspondence. So do I treat any patient? Tell me.
I think at that time no one
Yeah,
no one
that is the
offering
mean of-
MBBS online.
Like if
I
you
think at that time
What
no
I
one
said?
offering MBBS online.
Guys, hold second. I have a better example. Maybe you heard the example, maybe you heard the term in technology VR glasses, right? So will you believe or not, if a Russian doctor is sitting in Russia can also operate the operation in India by the technology, and these are all the part of the correspondence classes. And let me tell you one important thing here. Correspondence classes doesn't mean that only sitting at the home and attending the classes. They have the hybrid version. Some of the time they spend in the regular classes and also grab their own isolated time to practice their skills. This is an example and definition of the correspondence classes. And this is a future that we need to accept it, as it up to us how easily and how hard we accept.
So first of all, I respected your points here, and first of all, I encounter you, all of you. I have a one valid point. I am sole student, you are regular. We have a 7 subject, you have also 7 subject. We have a financial accounting, you have also financial accounts. Where is the disclarification? And I passed out my regular classes at the 2023 with the regular college. I have a skill about I passed out my college from the BA, Political Honors. I have a knowledge about Mughal Sultanate. Where is the skill? Mughal Sultanate, Kutubuddin Aibak comes for India for the basis of this clarification. Fight, Harappa Sabhyata. Where is the skill? When you go in the MNC company, so you shows your this skill. Communication, we have a communication skill. That's why we are here.
So, I hear debate on correspondent and regular. So, can you please tell me that any skill where you learn about any skill? Go with college, go with regular, or go with correspondence. Tell me about one any course about.
Let me define first the definition of a skill. Let me clear the definition of the skills. Skills means what?
Skill means what?
Yeah, skills means that how you deal the problem exactly and how cleverly. And the tradition that we are following, that regular classes, they are not helping us to treat the modern problem. Let me tell you what skills we have learned in the correspondence. How to use technology, how to operate AI tools, how to do all the things with the effective and more efficient way. And moreover, one important thing, that the boring tasks where we do the replication of the assignment, we don't need to do it right now.
Okay, complete.
Yeah,
So,
it is fine.
My question is, if you are not going to regular in any institute, any coaching, then how to learn about that skill?
Why?
If you are
See.
not listen. If you are not coming in Boon education for learn English regularly, then how you will learn about English?
There are
That is my question.
Okay. There are lots of online courses where
You
I
have
can
to
learn
regular on that online courses also.
the regular and correspondence means you not need to attend 75% your
you
attendance.
don't need to attend any online classes
regularly. You just practice
Then you
your
will
skill.
not learn any skill.
there is the debate about regular colleges and correspondence. You
about regular and correspondence.
not study, regular study or alternative
in-
study. You
in
are
college-
just saying
in
if you
college-
are not regularly
in
studying,
college-
we regularly study
In
at
colleges,
home.
no, there is no person.
No.
But basically, I want to
See,
answer from
here we are not able to fabricate the right definition of the correspondence classes. It's a hybrid version where we spend some time also in a place where we work on our skills and not always follow the traditional classes of 6 days where we spend 4 days in the home and 2 days in a college or wherever we want. Maybe you heard that 3 days of classes, 3 days of classes. Yeah, right. This is also example of correspondence. MWF. One day we spend in the home to prepare a
basically
homework.
That's mean
And
you have to go for 2 days only.
yeah, yes,
Exactly, you
yes.
want to say that, but you have to go 2 days.
Yes, we need
It is
to.
also regular.
It is a definition of
But
correspondence.
what I'm trying to say to you that regular college is also good and correspondence. There is a different
Yeah.
bondage. They both are come from different bondages.
Absolutely, you are right.
Because
And more important,
in regular college, I'll tell you, I completed my graduation in 2020 from Delhi College of Arts and Commerce in regular. So when you were enrolled in any regular college, you have to learn many things. You have to interact lots of people, lots of personalities, and then you learn about how to talk and how to involve in this world and how to learn anything which are doing around surrounding us. That is the basic. That is the basic importance of regular college. I don't know that time. I don't have lots of knowledge about English. My course is English Literature plus Spanish. I have graduated from Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. Then I don't know anything about regular college because I am the first person who's gone to college in my family, regular. So I learn from it and how to deal with any situation.
See,
And you have also- and you
sir,
have-
we
please,
need
please,
to
please.
understand here the background that if a person who is not financially stable, let's say that, and have to work also and continue the education. So what is the best option for that person?
If you are not that much financially stable, that is why Delhi University provide courses in a very minimal fees.
In the regular college, we are physically there, and we can attend the classes. As we have mentioned about the online classes which you have take by your home, right? Are you sure that all students are taking the class online? Are you
What
sure?
is the surety
Are you
of the
sure?
regular classes that all the students are attending
Yes.
very perfectly all the regular classes?
Yes, they
What
are
is the
taking the
surety
class.
of it?
Yes, they are taking the class. And one more thing I want to add in this, that in the regular college we are going regular, so we can communicate with the other people and with the new people as well. As they have mentioned that we have chat board and where we can get so many ideas in the different ways. But in the regular college we are going, so we can talk with the another people now, that we can talk and we can understand by the teacher as well. And it is very effective and it is very the crucial for us. So are you sure that this is my question, that as I have asked previous, that are you sure that all students are taking the class from their house? You are from corresponding now. See, give me the answer.
Okay, so I want to ask one question only here. In pandemic time, why did you not go college? Answer? Huh?
Because no one was
So
there.
why did you take class online? You know very well that
It was
nobody will
emergency.
attend the class.
Because it was
So
emergency.
you have to understand the technology, that you are at a home, and even that you are just attending the class. That is the most important thing, to understand the technology.
Okay. In a COVID time, at least the regular classes was going on online. But what about the correspondence? Nobody knows what was going on in the correspondence. Nobody was aware about the correspondence. what is going to happen after 2 days, 3 days, nobody was aware about it. But in a regular college, at least we were getting the regular classes, we were getting updated. We were getting updated by our rules and regulation which was coming from the UGC guidelines. We were getting through our teachers online mode, okay? But in the correspondence, what were you getting? Nothing. Nothing you were getting, okay? And
Okay.
you were nothing getting on that time.
I agree with your point. We didn't attend any class. Okay. So what I want to say here, you have attended all the class, but we have also very well aware that if you are taking class, so nobody was interested on that time. If they just start the class and they just one day wondering here, there's पीछे से मम्मी बोल रहे क्या कर रहे हो, मतलब they were not on that time present. They were just attending the class. They were not just listening the whatever they just teacher was delivering that time.
This is the matter of the self-motivation, okay, that you raised. In a correspondence, no, this is the fact. In a correspondence, what do we need to do? As you guys said, we need to maintain the self-motivation. So in a regular college, don't you think so? We need to also maintain the self-motivation. It comes to you, then you say this is a self-motivation. We can maintain.
You have mentioned that we don't go college, so that's why I gave the example.
You gave the example. You supported the example with the self-motivation.
You,
no.
If you are that much courage to do something, to hard work something, so you have to go college. Also allowed, if parents are allowing to go college, so you are supposed to go there. Why did you not go?
Actually, in a correspondence, you guys mentioned you maintain discipline, you maintain self-motivation. When it comes to the regular college, you guys said there is no concept of the self-motivation.
I want
no
to
discipline that we can maintain. It is your personal choice whether you want to take classes or not. But college provides you. Okay, this is up to you. In a correspondence, also they provide you, but you don't go. You go for where? Working. You go for work. That ups to you. That it comes to you. You are just supporting self-motivation,
No.
and that comes to us. So no self-motivation,
Last
no
point.
motivation, no discipline, nothing.
I want to say only one thing, that college doesn't matter, only skill matter. If you are just using
But
the
we are not
technology
discussing about
or
skill, we are
anything,
discussing about
knowledge important, not
If no. As Jyoti mentioned that.
Let me tell you of one fact.
college doesn't
One
matter.
data says what? In India especially, sir. In India especially, in era of this, when we have started the correspondence classes, the employment rate, if you compare the ratio between the correspondence student between the regular college, you will find that all the employment who is now in a working company, they are coming from, they belong to correspondence classes. And you know why? Yeah, because they have burned themselves for signing like a son, because they have done the self motivation, self studies pattern, and this required in a companies, not the regular classes, not the traditional classes, that we need to understand.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan and I want to add some points for regular college and correspondence college. Like I want to share correspondence college gives a flexibility and more than saving a time, but regular college not gives a flexibility and not gives a saving a time. So what do you think about that?